Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch Ultra for running. Tap the workout app, select Outdoor Run, then customize metrics like pace, distance, and heart rate. Set alerts for pace and cadence to stay on target, and enable GPS and route tracking for accurate mapping. Use Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions, and carry a compact charger for long trail runs. Personalize your watch face to show the metrics that matter most when running. Press firmly on the workout screen to add or rearrange fields like pace, cadence, heart rate, and elevation. Set interval workouts with warm-up, work, and recovery steps to automate sessions. Sync custom workouts from your phone and enable voice cues to keep you informed without checking the screen. Use built-in safety features so you feel secure on every run. Turn on fall detection and emergency (SOS) so help can be contacted automatically if needed. Use Backtrack to retrace steps on unfamiliar trails and add waypoints with compass for route navigation. Preload GPX routes on your phone and sync to the watch to navigate without cell service, and practice using voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.